The armies of India and Uzbekistan culminated the Dustlik joint exercise at Damen training base in Uzbekistan. UAE might procure Chinese J-20 after the US denied access to the F-35 Lightning II fifth-generation fighter. The Indian Army is all set to induct 250 Ashok Leyland GTV 6x6 vehicles that is specially designed for towing wide range of artillery guns and radar systems. The Indian Army is exploring the creation of an in-house adversarial force for wargaming exercises that will simulate the strategies and tactics of potential future opponents. The Indian and French armies are set to hold a bilateral exercise next month, which will focus on counter-terror operations. Goa Shipyard Limited has signed an MOU with Damen shipyards for collaboration in the field of e-Tugs. China has launched first Type 39B submarine for Pakistan Navy. 4 submarines are being built in China, while 4 will be built in Pakistan. As Sri Lanka is trying to recover from the implications of China's debt diplomacy, the Sri Lankan cabinet has announced the transfer of management for its $209 million Chinese-funded Mattala Rajapaksa International Airport to an Indian and Russian firm. After developing a local solid propellant booster and an indigenous fuel for the Brahmos missile, Brahmos Aerospace is now in talks with its Russian partners to develop and manufacture the Ramjet engine within India that will power the Brahmos supersonic cruise missile. The company seeks to reduce its dependence on Russia for critical components, as this dependence poses a potential challenge for export opportunities, as countries interested in acquiring the Brahmos system might be wary of relying on a weapon that depends on another nation for a key component. The DRDO is seeking Indian Army's approval for the design, development and field testing of an unmanned ground combat vehicle based on the Arjun Mark 1A main battle tank. It will fulfill a variety of roles, like providing real-time intelligence on enemy positions and movements, identifying and pinpointing enemy targets for precision strikes by manned units, delivering essential supplies to forward positions, and safely evacuating soldiers from the battlefield. The Indian Navy is evaluating a potential upgrade package for its fleet of 12 Boeing P-8I maritime patrol aircraft. The upgrade is designated as Increment 3 Block 2, that features enhanced processing power, advanced communication systems, improved tracking and targeting, which promises significant improvements in the P-8I's ability to detect, track and engage even the most advanced submarines. Newspace Research and Technologies has started initial testing of its fixed-wing swarming UAV stack that has the potential to revolutionize aerial combat operations. It features Mosaic Intelligence Suite, and during the initial tests, various modules of the Mosaic system were evaluated for their ability to create combat mass and achieve air-launched effects. In a major relaxation, Germany has granted license to India to purchase small arms from German companies. It has also significantly simplified the licensing requirements for the sale of military equipment to India, and Germany is also looking at ways to scale up defense cooperation with India, with several military-to-military engagements lined up in the next few months. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.